Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, it's a gorgeous day today. Just look at that sun shining down. Now my jobs for today, amongst many of course, are to tidy up my fernery. It's quite a big fernery. Got a lot of different ferns in there, but the main fern, which I like because it's one of the few ferns that doesn't mind fairly dry soil, and it's a Dryopsis affinis. They look beautiful from early spring right the way through the summer, right the way through the winter. Lovely plant to have in a tropical garden like mine. And towards the end of the winter it starts to die off. It starts to look a bit drab, but it's getting ready for its new flurry of leaves as the spring comes. So what I like to do, I like to cut all of these off, give it a really fresh start. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Without further ado, I'm going to start on that right now. And first of all, I'm going to need this really important piece of gardening equipment. It's called a carpet. I need this these days just to put my knees on. So down I go, get ready for work, and we'll start with this one. Get the clippers out. Now there's bits of bamboo coming up in here. Bit of a problem that. My fault. I shouldn't have set it free in the garden, but there you go, it keeps coming back. Looks quite good. But I'm going to get rid of those. They're coming up through the ferns and I don't want that. So we'll snip that off and then I can get down to the fronds of the ferns. Tidy those up. Cut them off. The green ones and the brown ones. And then put them to one side. So that's that fern done, tidied up, and you can actually see, if you look closely, some of the new growth that's starting to come through, right deep down in there. It's still early days yet, early April, got a long time to go. So I'm going to carry on with the rest of these. Thank you so much for watching guys, I really appreciate your support for my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks so much again. And bye for now.